Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro drop 0.7% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Mercedes-Benz said it expects inventories to remain high in the second quarter as supply chain bottlenecks hinder production and deliveries, with semiconductor supply still very volatile. British employers are starting to offer the biggest annual pay rises since 2008, but the increases are still not keeping up with fast-rising inflation, Human Resources Data Company said. Central African Republic President has signed a bill into law establishing a regulatory framework for cryptocurrency use in the country, as well as adopting Bitcoin as legal tender.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ interest rate decision will be released at 0300 hours GMT. The Irish retail sales at 1000 GMT. Australia's import price index at 0130 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 0300 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 0900 GMT. The US gross domestic product annualized at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.